Aries, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, for today, Aries, gagawin natin ang reading for the month of December 2025. General love reading po ito. So, titingnan natin how does your person feel about you, ano mga dapat yung malaman about your person, how to move forward with this, and yeah, so on and so forth. So, take note as well guys that this is just a general reading. Only take what resonates lang po. Leave what doesn't, and also please don't forget click like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and tap the notification bell na rin po para po tayo updated sa ating mga new uploads. Okay, so let's get 3 cards as highlights of your December. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta si Aries? Ever ghosted, disappearing? Ghosted, disappearing. Did you ghost someone or someone ghosted you in the past? You also have your friends, influences. So your friends could be influencing your love life. Marami yung nasasabi ang mga friends mo about your person. Okay? Instead na disappearing to, why do I feel na parang may mag-a-appear? Kasi parang ayaw mo na. Aries. And player strategic. Someone is being strategic in the situation. Okay, someone is being a player. Parang binabasa ka niya, Aries. Kung hindi ikaw to na binabasa mo yung person mo, ikaw to na binabasa niya as to how you will move. Okay, what's your next move? Paano ka niya? Pwede rin binabasa ka niya. Paano magiging positive yung outcome. Kaso, mag-ingat ka kasi yung mga card ng player pwede ring deceptive yan. Magaling lang magbasa pero walang follow through. Okay. So, sino tong kakonect ni fire sign? Sorry, ni Aries. Aries lang pala. Aries for December. In December. We have your 8 of Wands. Could be another fire sign, Aries or Sag. But this person, I'm feeling really passionate or could want to text you, could want to send you a message, could want to resolve a certain problem. Kaso parang hindi nila alam. Mali may kasalanan tong person na to sa'yo. Okay, the Hermit. Maring nagtago tong person na to sa'yo in the past with a ghosted card kanina din. Okay, maaaring may atraso tong person na to sa'yo is what I feel regarding wish fulfillment. Kaso parang medyo hindi nila alam kung paano nila i-address yung situation, okay? Or to resolve the problem with you. What else? Describe me more this person. Wheel of Fortune. So, gusto na ito ng pagbabago sa sitwasyon nyo. What is the Wheel of Fortune all about? Yeah, 8 of Pentacles. So, gusto nila mag-build ulit sa inyo maybe. Gusto nila ng pagbabago sa situation nyo. Like from before, hindi maayos sa situation nyo with them. Could be a Virgo, by the way. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn too. Kunwari, naudlot man yung relationship nyo dati or nagkaroon man ng halt or parang pause para sa kanila. Gusto nilang mag-build ulit, mag-invest ulit daw sa inyo. Okay, and to pa rin yung parang minsan nyo lang pinangarap. Parang that's what I hear, okay? Set aside. Ano ba nangyari between kay Aries and this person in the past? Okay, Sun card. Mukha naman kayo masaya dati. Mukha naman kayo maayos dati. They're full of happiness. Maybe there's also a plan with the kid. Ayun lang, 3 of... So, there could be a plan na magkaanak. Kaso 3 of Swords. So, maaaring yung mga ganda yung mga sitwasyon before is napalitan ng sadness and depression or parang backstabbing ang nakikita ko. 3 of Swords can talk about heartbreak, Heartache could also be about third party na nakapagpalungkot sa isa sa inyo ng sobra-sobra. Magician card. What is this? Okay, maaring there could be another person in the mix. Could be someone else. Could be they could have given their attention to someone else. Someone na alluring. Whenever I see the Queen of Wands, someone alluring, someone na takaw attention, ganun. Or loves attention. Some readers, describe sila as attention war, a bitch, ganyan. Or someone to na gusto ng spotlight sa sarili, parang ganun. Okay, so maaaring nagbigay sila, nag-invest sila sa iba, and then they left you broken hearted. Okay, what can Aries expect with this person? Or how does this person... ano may expect ni Aries with this person? Two of Pentacles. So, nagja-juggle tong person na to maybe kung paano sila mag-move towards sa inyo. Okay, alam kasi nilang may atraso sila, or alam kasi nilang may problem silang ginawa with you. Hindi nila alam kung paano sila mag-move forward towards you, or hindi nila alam paano, paano sila hindi nila alam kung paano sila mag-make ng move towards sa inyo successfully. Yeah, Six of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. This person could have wanted, because Six of Cups talks about reunion, reconciliation. Three of Cups, collaboration. So, gusto nila makapag-collaborate. Gusto nilang maaring muling ibalik, ganun, para makapag-reconcile sa inyo, mag-sorry sa ginawa nila, kuno daw na pag-alis. Maaring marinig mo yan kapag pinakinggan mo ng tao to. Sorry kung iniwan kita last time. Sorry kung pinagpalit kita. Kaso this person's kind of like nawawala to sa sa tamang direction. Like parang paano ko ba gagawin yun kay Aries na paano siya maniniwala sa akin. Again, the player card kanina, no? Mag-ingat kayo kasi baka binabasa ka lang ng person na to kung paano mo kanila mabibait ulit. Okay, iniisip nila na paano ko ba makukuha ulit si Aries? Paano ko ba ulit, like parang kasi hindi mawala sa isip nila yung confusion or parang guilt, okay, na niloko ka nila. So, medyo powerless sila, hindi nila alam kung paano mag-move forward sa inyo. Okay, what is the next future outcome? Next actions ng person na to sa December. Next action ng person na ito sa December kay Aries. Chariot card. So, mag-ingat ka kasi para may nakita pa akong separate energy together with this person. So, could be a Cancer that you're dealing with, or just mag-ingat ka na mag-invest ulit sa person na to kasi may nakita ko naka-attach pa rin sa kanya na another individual energy. Kumbaga, should I say it, na kung sino man yung pinalit nila sa inyo, kung pinagpalit nga kayo ng person na to, is attached pa rin sila dun sa energy na yun. So, just thought of letting you know what I saw. Ano pa? Six of Swords. Queen of Cups. So, ito ang gusto nilang gawin, no? So, gusto nilang mag-improve yung situation between sa inyong dalawa. Parang mag-hello, hi, mag-send ng message nga, ganun. Kaso, parang sa nakikita ko dito, medyo ikaw ata tong Aries na hindi na okay dito sa person na to. Like, parang may sama ka na loob sa person na to. And parang, what's the sense? Ba't babalik ka pa? Ganun yung nakikita ko. Anong pakay mo? And parang, dun ka na sa kabila, diba? Dun ka na, parang ganun. Parang ramdam ko na medyo, I don't know, wala ka ng feelings dito sa person na to, or nag-flip na 180 degrees yung nararamdaman mo sa kanila. Pero parang ayaw mo na ng mutual give and take dito sa person na ito. So, nakikita ko, ano. Kasi nga, parang minsan ka na nilang binackstab. Parang natandaan mo sila dun. Ano ang potential outcome ng sitwasyon na ito? Ace of Pentacles. So, there could be an offer for a lifetime opportunity, lifetime commitment. Naku, 7 of Swords. Yan tayo eh. Meron lang tumataka sa sitwasyon nila para mapunta sa inyo. Yun ang masasabi ko doon. Or maaari mag-ingat talaga kayo sa deception. Okay? Kasi may chance pa rin maging deceptive tong person na to. So, sa ano magiging outcome nito? Parang gugustuhin nilang ayusin yung inyo. Kaso mag-ingat kayo at the same time kasi nga may deceptive energy dito. Okay, mag-ingat kayo na mag-engage ulit dito sa person na to kasi may naka-attach pa sa kanila or meron pa silang kinakasama, meron silang jowa ngayon, meron silang parang kakonek, karelasyon na maaring masabit kayo kapag binagbigyan nyo ulit to, magugulo ulit kayo, okay? Ano ang advice para kay collective Aries? Okay. Anong advice para kay Aries? Ace of Swords. So, communicate truthfully. Speak your truth in this situation. Okay, could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius that you're dealing with. Okay, na ayaw mo nang mag-move forward with them. So, nakikita ko, okay? Okay, and kung mag-offer man yung person na yan ng something, okay, is, what's the Page of Pentacles? I don't know, committed ka na ngayon, Aries, sa iba? Parang it tells me na wala ka lang mapapala kapag nag-offer ka pa kasi wala na sa yung focus ko, nasa ibang tao na. Could be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na you're dealing with in your plan of settling down. Okay? Bottom of the deck ko sa 10 of Wands. So, moving away from burdens. Maaaring binigyan ka lang ng burden ng situation na to. Let's get some final advice cards from this situation. Advice card po para kay Aries about their love life for December. Water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So, maaaring may significant water sign din as well. Or talks about deception. Be careful of deception with the moon there. Gambling, problems with addiction or gambling, bad finances. So, baka talaga merong may problem with codependent behaviors, no? Like lies, addiction, deception. Maaaring kung ididikit mo ulit yung sarili mo dun sa before, pero parang di ko na nakikita yun, is magkaroon ka ng bad finances. And open up your heart, it will attract more love. Liar, okay, liar itong ano. Someone, be careful of someone sneaky. Okay. And cycles, fate, karma, something ending, beginning, something ending, something beginning. So, mag-ingat ka na, parang may mga bagay na nauulit lang or this has something to do with karma. Okay? So, yeah, that's all what I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching your reading. Have a good one. Bye!